Welcome to our guide on resources for your custom animation and video production business. Let's dive into some essential books, podcasts, videos, AI tools, and courses. First, let's explore some must-read books. The Art of Storytelling by John York and Visual Thinking for Design by Colin Ware are great starting points. Next, consider Motion Graphics for Storytellers by Richard Harrington and The Animation Book by Kit Laybourne. These books cover animation principles and techniques. For podcasts, check out the Animation Podcast and the Video Production Show. They offer insights into the latest trends and best practices in animation and video production. YouTube is another valuable resource. Videos like How to Start a Custom Animation and Video Production Business by Entrepreneur provide practical advice on getting started. AI tools can significantly enhance your production quality. Adobe After Effects and Cinema 4D are excellent for motion graphics and 3D modeling. Courses can also be incredibly beneficial. Custom Animation and Video Production 101 by Udemy and E-commerce for custom animation and video production by Coursera are highly recommended. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you excel in your custom animation and video production business. Happy creating!